My name is Lisa, and I'm part of the Healthy Kids of America team. In this video, we're going to explore what it means to be vegan. So first, let me ask you, do you know what it means to be vegan? Well, believe it or not, being vegan is more than just a preference for eating certain types of foods. In fact, it's a lifestyle. Vegans try to avoid eating or purchasing any food or product that comes from animals. That means vegans won't buy products such as leather, suede, wool, certain brands of cosmetics, makeup, and just about any product that contains ingredients that were created using any part of an animal. So when it comes to food, this means that vegans will avoid eating all foods that come from animals as well, such as chicken, meat, fish, milk, cheese, eggs, and other dairy products. So why would someone want to be vegan? And what do they eat if they prefer not eating anything that comes from animals? Well, vegans live a completely plant-based lifestyle because they support animal rights and want to protect the planet. But keep in mind, if you do eat meats and fish, that's totally okay. You too can also find ways to support animal rights and protect the planet as well. Okay, back to what does a vegan lifestyle consist of? They consume mainly foods that naturally come from the earth, such as fruits and vegetables. Seaweed, I know, sounds kind of yucky, but the right seaweed from Japan is actually really tasty. Did you know that there are so many foods that have been made to imitate real meat, but are actually made from these healthy plant-based ingredients? For example, we have almond milk, which is rich in vitamins A, B, E, B12, and protein. There's also egg substitute, which tastes just like the real thing, only it's made from mung beans. Gardein Mandarin chicken pieces, which taste just like your favorite chicken nugget. Chicken fingers, vegan crab cakes, teriyaki chicken strips, and Beyond Burgers, which taste just like the real thing, except it doesn't come from cows. So that's what it means to be vegan. And here at Healthy Kids of America, we're not telling you to give up any of your favorite foods, any of which may come from animals. And it doesn't make you a bad person if you do eat them. As a matter of fact, a lot of people try to balance eating both. Remember, every healthy superhero incorporates a lot of organic foods that are rich in nutrients and come from the earth. So that is what you should always strive to do.